Starting your crypto journey and feeling a bit overwhelmed? You're not the only one. Today, we're demystifying one of the crucial first steps, choosing the right wallet. Why does MetaMask stand out as the prime choice for crypto beginners? Let's dive into the brilliance behind its straightforward interface. In this video, we'll walk you through the essentials of MetaMask, from setting up your wallet, executing transfers, to ensuring its utmost security. Welcome to Crypto Bookworm, your go-to channel for crypto education. Here, we make the complex world of digital assets easy to understand through bite-sized animated lessons. And the best part? It's all packed with relatable analogies, captivating stories, and real-world examples to ensure you fully grasp each lesson. Alright, let's just dive right in. What's the buzz about MetaMask? Think of it as your handy digital wallet for the crypto universe. It's your key to buying, selling, and trading assets on the Ethereum blockchain. Kind of like how your everyday wallet helps you shop in the physical world. Created in 2016, it's a brainchild of Consensus, the biggest Ethereum development squad out there. They crafted MetaMask to be your user-friendly gateway to the world of decentralized apps, aka dApps. And it's not just for Ether. You can juggle non-fungible tokens, NFTs, hop onto Ethereum dApps, mingle with other crypto wallets, game on the blockchain, and even connect to diverse networks like BNB Smart Chain. The best part is, it's 100% free. Add it as a browser extension on Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or even Brave. You can also get the app on your phone. And with a whopping 30 million users, it's safe to say MetaMask is the go-to for many. Now, you might wonder, how does it all work? Let's break it down. Ever heard of Ethereum? Simply put, it's a digital system where cool apps and smart contracts live. Imagine little programs that automatically do things when conditions are met. And by being part of this system, you can earn something called Ether. Now, when you join Ethereum, your computer works with others to keep things running smoothly. This teamwork makes the dream work, powering exciting apps, from crypto trades to fun games. But here's where things can get tricky. Using these apps, dApps actually, and managing digital goodies. This is where MetaMask shines. It's like your helpful guide, making sure you can enjoy everything without getting lost in the tech details. Got all that? Great. Before we move on, if you've enjoyed learning about these topics so far and would like to support our work, please consider subscribing to our channel. Your support helps us continue creating engaging and informative content, and we appreciate every subscriber who helps promote our hard work. Next up, let's unpack another feature of MetaMask: storing crypto. Let's get to it. Think of MetaMask like your online banking app. Just as you log in to check balances, transfer money, or pay bills, MetaMask serves a similar function but in the crypto realm. It holds different types of digital cash for you, namely ETH, ERC20, and ERC721 tokens. Just like you might have a savings, checking, and joint account, MetaMask lets you create multiple addresses for different purposes. It gives you more control over your data by only generating a public and private key on your browser. The former is like an email address that you can share publicly to receive funds, while the latter is like a password that must be kept from anyone. Got the MetaMask basics? Great. Now let's talk about token swapping. With MetaMask's trade feature, swapping tokens directly with someone else is a breeze. Say goodbye to third-party middlemen. Plus, MetaMask scans different decentralized exchanges to ensure you're getting the best price with fewer steps. Easy, efficient, and top value. That's how we like it. Now on to dApps, which stands for Decentralized Applications. They're like regular apps, but run on a bunch of computers instead of just one. With MetaMask, you're a click away from all things blockchain, from decentralized finance to games and even those trending NFTs. No need for multiple wallets or complicated setups. Just spend, send, and stake your crypto, all in one place. Easy peasy. Got all that? Awesome. Now let's talk about what you'll need in order to set up MetaMask. First up, grab the official MetaMask extension from a supported browser. Once it's on, you'll see a cheery "Welcome to MetaMask" greeting. Now the fun begins, setting up your wallet. Got a MetaMask wallet already? Use the Import Wallet option. But if you're new to this, go ahead and choose Create a New Wallet. If you are starting fresh, you'll pick a password and get a 12-word seed phrase. Think of it as your wallet's secret handshake. Jot it down on paper and keep it safe. If you ever switch browsers or computers, this is your golden ticket back in. If you're importing an existing wallet, just key in your old seed phrase. It's a breeze. So, now that you're all set up with MetaMask, you might be wondering, what coins can you hold on MetaMask? MetaMask is pretty cool. It can hold Ether and a bunch of coins that play nice with the Ethereum blockchain. That includes BNB smart chain tokens like PancakeSwap, Tether, Shiba Inu, Wrapped Bitcoin, and Omisago. But heads up, Bitcoin's on a different team, so MetaMask doesn't hold it. Now that you know what MetaMask can hold, how do you transfer crypto into it? First up, open it and spot that little account icon at the top right. Click the drop-down arrow beside it. Pick the account you're after, and then hit Copy Address on the right. This is your MetaMask wallet address. 42 characters of fun, starting with 0x, and it'll be right below your account name. Kind of like 0x12R4566HJ9. Now if you're thinking, how do I get my ETH or tokens from, say, Coinbase into MetaMask? Easy. Log into Coinbase, tap the Send Receive button, fill out the details, like how much ETH you're sending, and make sure it says you'll pay with Ethereum. Next, paste that MetaMask address you copied into the To box. Want to leave a note? Go for it. Then, double check everything and hit Send Now. And, by the way, if you have friends sending tokens your way, you can share your address with them too. Now a heads up about MetaMask. You've got to be super careful with your private keys and those seed phrases. Think of them as the keys to your crypto kingdom. Lose them, and you might not get back in. And if some sneaky hacker gets their hands on them, well, that's trouble. Remember, while MetaMask doesn't store your personal info, browsers love keeping tabs, no pun intended, on what you're up to, which is something many people in the crypto world aren't too happy about. Although MetaMask's track record is pretty solid, no system is invincible, especially when it's online or a hot wallet. To keep your crypto safe, guard that recovery phrase like it's gold. If you ever get locked out, it's your ticket back in. Your private key? That's for your eyes only. Never, ever share it. Holding a ton of tokens? Consider pairing MetaMask with a hardware wallet. It's like adding an extra padlock. As we come to the end of this video, MetaMask is a top pick for beginners. Why? Its user-friendly vibe makes handling your digital assets a breeze. Plus, you can use it on various platforms. And hey, have you ever lost something important? With MetaMask, you've got backups thanks to seed phrases. The cherry on top? It's all about privacy. Your keys and phrases are made locally, staying snug between you and your device. No third-party peeking. So, quick question. How do you prioritize safety in your crypto journey? Let us know in the comments below. I hope we have made this topic easier for you to understand. If you're interested in starting to trade crypto but don't know where to begin, or you just want some helpful tips, be sure to check out our free crypto trading guide for beginners on cryptobookworm.com. You'll also find our weekly newsletter and some helpful tools there. Thanks for tuning in, and we can't wait to see you in the next video. Until then, stay curious and keep learning.